Let's see how one can invite the external team to provide feedback on candidate profile easily over email without logging into Hire Expert. Go to Hire Express tab. Here user can see candidates of all jobs. User can search candidates for whom feedback is required by writing his name in free search field or can filter out candidates by applying filters. Do you see three dot menu in front of candidate name? Click on it, you will get CV review on email option. For candidates which are in new states, for them you will get option get CV review on email, and for candidates which are in interview state, you will get option get interview feedback on email. We will see both one by one. Example, for Abhishek candidate whose current status is new, recruiter wants to take feedback on him from Parag. So recruiter will go on three dot menu from Abhishek candidate and choose take get CV review on email. Write a person name and email ID who is going to review candidate. In this example, it's Parag and his email ID is parag@talentexpert.com. Now let's move to Parag's inbox. He receives an email. He will click on CV review option. Here he will have two options, either to accept the profile or reject the profile. If he accepts the profile, automatically candidate status will change, and if it's rejected, candidate will move to rejected. Now we will reload the screen by pressing reload candidate button. Now you can clearly see candidate Abhishek's status have been changed from new to interview schedule. Now we will see an example for get interview feedback on email. We will repeat similar steps for candidate Akshay whose current status is interview 1 pending. Now let's move to Parag's inbox. He receives an email. He will click on CV review option. You will observe a different UI for interview feedback. There are two sections. Top one is to select the candidate for next round. User can give ratings and comments also. And the bottom section is for rejecting the candidate. User has to choose the reason from the list, mention comment if required, and reject the candidate. In this example, let's give rating to candidate and select him for next round and write comment about candidate. Now we will come back to Hire Expert, reload the screen by pressing reload candidate button. Now you can clearly see candidate Akshay status has been changed from pending interview 1 to schedule interview 2, and comment on the card is updated automatically, which can be seen on the comments section. Thank you.